Imagine flying through the sky with total freedom, seeing the world from a bird's eye view in stunning detail. For months, drone fans have whispered about the next FPV revolution. And now, the DJI Avata 360 has just leaked, and not just a blurry photo or rumor. A US retailer actually listed it for pre-order, complete with images, pricing, and inventory counts. It feels like the future of FPV just landed on our doorstep, before DJI was ready. This leak is different. Usually, we get hints. This time, we see everything, full bundles, accessories, and pricing tiers. DJI seems to be targeting everyone, from beginners to hardcore pros. But before you reach for your credit card, there's a huge catch. This retailer is not an official DJI dealer. That means you're looking at a gray market situation, and things might not be as perfect as they seem. Here's the risk. Buying from an unauthorized source could mean no official warranty, firmware issues, or even receiving pre-activated or unsealed units. Some of these might be international units or already handled. That's a big red flag. Spending $1,000 plus on a drone that DJI won't support? Not worth it. Now, the gear itself looks incredible. Barebones bundle. Drone, 1 battery, propellers, cable. Perfect for pilots who already own DJI goggles or controllers. Ready to fly bundle. Drone plus goggles plus motion controller. Designed for beginners stepping into immersive FPV flying. Plug, charge, fly. Fly more combo. DJI goggles 3 batteries, charging hub, hard case. Built for professionals or content creators, full day flying without battery worries. Pricing is where things get spicy. Base drone, $999. Full Fly More kit, nearly $1,800. Not cheap. But if the 360 in the name means what we think, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance or full 360 degrees camera capture, this could be a steal for professional level tech. In my opinion, the DJI Avata 360 looks like a game changer, but you should wait for the official release. Buying early from a gray market store is too risky. Once DJI confirms specs officially, the Avata 360 could become the king of cinematic FPV, bridging hobby and professional filmmaking perfectly. Now, I want to hear from you. Which bundle would you pick? Bare bones to save money, or fly more for extended sessions? Drop your choice in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest FPV and tech leaks.